guys, unboxing number 2 of this evening's filming, and you know what it is? It's this Eve's Parcel. For those of you who don't know, Eve's Parcel is a period subscription box, but if like me you don't need lots and lots and lots and lots of period stuff, you can just buy this one for the beauty items. It's been getting better and better and better, to be honest. It was pretty good December. It started off a bit rocky, but I am really liking it. So I'm actually looking forward to seeing what is inside this box, what things sound like. It's kicking pink parcels butt this month. Shall we open it and see? Before we do that, it would be awesome if you could give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to ring that notification bell, share this video and subscribe. Alright, let's get into the video. Eve's Parcel is like £10 plus PMP. I think it's £12.95, £13.95, something like that every month. For the beauty items, which makes it comparable to, you know, Birchbox and Glossybox and all that jazz. What do they have to say for themselves? This month's parcel has been created with cleansing and detoxing in mind, which is, you know, what I was expecting from January boxes, so fair enough. Many of us will be hitting the gym, nah. Cleansing our minds, maybe, and bodies. I will once we've eaten all the chocolate, because, I mean, how can you detox your body when there's still loads of chocolate lying around to be eaten? It's just not possible. And getting prepped for the new year ahead. Therefore, we've filled this month's parcel with tasty, healthy, alternative treats. That's not fair. Some healthy stuff is really nice, but I just tend to not like it. As well as beauty treats to cleanse and detox your skin and body. Eve's Parcel is focused on female health and well-being. We want our parcels to pamper and indulge you. We want to help you focus on the importance of self-care and reminding you to take some time out to focus on you. This month's parcel includes an affirmation of the month to make you feel great on the inside and help you start the new year your way. We wish you an amazing new year and we look forward to bringing you another amazing love-filled parcel in February. Eve's Parcel. So every month they have an affirmation card, and this card says, I have decided that this will be a very good year. And why not? Right, let's get these out of the way. Hummus chips. Sour cream and chives flavoured, certified by Celiac UK. They're gluten free, they're vegan, they're 40% less fat, but I don't like hummus. What does that mean, that they're just made of chickpeas? Chickpea flour, rice, potato starch, rapeseed oil, corn flour, sour cream, chive seasoning. Should I try it? Well, I like the shells. They're quite cute, and I like the flavour generally. Actually, these aren't bad. These are good. These taste nice. Why doesn't hummus taste nice if these taste nice? Flavouring, I guess. Oh, nice one. See, that is why I should try things. As the card says, be more positive, because I could have just put this away and given it to someone else, hidden it in the back of the cupboard, but these are actually nice. Eat real snacks are based on 3 simple concepts that are taste, nutrition and real ingredients. Who said snacking can't be healthy, I think it's meant to say. Made from real natural ingredients with no added nasties. Having a look online, I can see these are between 57 and 85 pence. I'm actually impressed with those, because normally I would not like that kind of thing. But these, you get a thumbs up from me, you taste good. What's next? Let's do more eats, because you know, I like to eat things. Happy Bears Apple and Lemon from Jealous Sweets. Never heard of this brand before. At Yum and Games it says, at Jealous we make shamelessly tasty sweets. Set up by 2 mates, Taz and Imran, to bring back some fun into the everyday. Our junk-free sweets are made for grown-ups. We're obsessed with giving you the best, which is why we make our sweets without fakery or fluffy animals, so you can treat yourself better. So go on, indulge a little. This bag of joy was made so you can have your sweets and eat them. And with only 84 calories, they're a guilt-free pleasure that will make you smile. They're made en français. They're vegetarian approved. Now, apple and lemon is an interesting concept, isn't it? Apple, yes. Lemon, 2 different colour bears, like on the front. Okay. So you've got some lemon ones like those, and then some green ones, which is better because apple sits better with me. I hate lemon flavoured things. Lemon is for salmon and gin and tonic. These apple ones are delicious. They're not like squidgy jelly, they're more like that firm, more closer to a wine gum than a jelly baby. Do you know what I mean? It actually says vegan on the front. It actually says vegan on the front, but Vegetarian Society on the back, so maybe they haven't got the final approval, but they are vegan, I guess. I am quite impressed. Right, I'm going to eat a lemon one just because I need to know if they're horrible. Taste of lemon. 100% guilt-free, no artificial colours or flavours, sugar-free, gluten-free, vegan. That's basically what it's saying. So that is pretty good, and the apple ones are nice. Husband likes lemon things. I like apple things. I might give him one to try because, you know, I mean like that. Let's get into the beauty. Oh no, let's just do this quickly. Pucker tea bag, had this one before. It's the cleanse tea bag, makes sense for New Year. A radiant blend of organic nettle, fennel and peppermint. I've never actually tried this one because I don't care for fennel. I give it to friends when they come round. 69.5% fair trade ingredients, and good news for bringing purity and nourishment to a weary spirit. Now this is what people really care about, the beauty goodies. First up, we have this from Monu Skin. Have had a few things from them in the past. Everything apart from the facial oil I've liked, so that's okay. Line Smoothing Warming Aromatic Mask for combination skin, natural clay, lavender and rosemary. This velvety mask slightly warms on application to renew and invigorate the complexion. 10 to 15 minute mask, paraben free, against animal testing, made in the UK and using the best of nature. Always good. You know me, I love a face mask, so can't go too wrong with this. Monu have formulated this amazing warming mask to specifically increase vitamin and mineral absorption, leaving skin feeling warmed, nurtured and comforted. Created with natural Atapugulite clay, which provides a deep cleansing treatment, leaving skin invigorated and energised. Let's just pop a little bit out. Just looks like that. I think it does feel warm, but some of these warming masks, they only feel warm when you rub them. Not really warm yet. No, yeah, now I'm getting a bit warming. Let's see how long it lasts. I like the feel of a warming mask. I had another one that I really liked. If I can remember it, I'll pop it on screen. And when you rub it in, oh, it's so warm. It feels like putty. It's delicious. But the warmth goes so quickly, and so does this. So if you're buying it because you like the warming sensation, it's not going to last long. However, it might be a nice mask. I will let you know. Skin should be left invigorated from morning to night. Oh, I wonder if you're supposed to do it in the morning then. An innovative blend of beeswax and coconut oil aids in softening, calming and hydrating tired skin, ensuring the face looks thoroughly fresh, clean and noticeably radiant. Don't forget to apply it to your neck décolletage. And it does want you to do it in the morning because then it says tone and apply appropriate day cream. So this is something to use in the morning to freshen your face and leave you looking good all day. So yeah, might give that a try in the morning. Right, this, I've never heard of this brand before. Eflixa? Elifexa? Reducing and firming cream reduces localized fat deposits. If this works, like OMG. Caffeine and phospholipids, Centella Asiatic leaf extract, hypoallergenic, 99.6% of total ingredients from natural origin, EcoCert. Formulated to visibly firm and tone belly skin. Apply twice daily, morning and night, in a continuous massaging motion using the palm of the hand. How much would you need? Like, how would you know? Do you do one side and not the other? I better rub some on quick now. You don't want to see my belly. How am I going to know if it's working or not? What area should I put it on? Let's give myself a little belly massage. It smells nice until it's been completely absorbed. Well, that sounds pretty amazing. And we get a whole pamphlet about this stuff. So it's the most natural solution for each part of your body. I don't know if it's just me, but it feels a bit like tingly. I don't know if it's just because I've been rubbing the area or something, but it feels a bit like something's happening. Imagine if it was. I mean, you would hope it is because that's what it says it's going to do, but still. Right, it's full of natural organic ingredients. It's got fruit water, active cream base. It's cruelty-free and vegan, hypoallergenic. It's got clinical research behind it. It's the next generation of natural body care products. So they've got one that's anti-cellulite and lifting cream. They've got this one, which reduces localized fat deposits to form visibly firm and toned belly skin using the caffeine, and is suitable for breastfeeding. That might be really good for somebody who has just got that little bit left to remove. Like you've been toning up, you can't get rid of that last little bit. I mean, I don't think it's gonna dramatically make me thinner. I think it would have a lot of work to do that, to break down a lot of belly fat. But maybe if you have that last little bit to go, or you just can't tone it the way you want, this might be something to try. They've got a push-up breast toning and firming cream. I can really feel it. Something's happening. It's not red or anything, but it feels like something's happening. A fitness body contouring gel, a push-up buttocks sculpting gel, anti-stretch marks repairing and preventing cream, and revitalising leg gel. This stuff sounds really interesting. I'd like to see more from them. Well, anything is worth a go, right? If it helps, it helps. Now we are up for our last item, and it's a big one. It's a full sizer. It's from Figs and Rouge. There we are. What do you think it's going to be? It's a cleanser. It's got to be, doesn't it? We have to have a cleanser. They mentioned cleansing. It's an anti-blemish support, which is perfect for me. Antioxidant rich and detoxifying formulation restores a soft, smooth and rebalanced complexion. It detoxifies and unclogs pores. Pores? No. It detoxifies and unclogs pores. It's a clinically proven formula for effective anti-blemish skincare support, minimises blemishes and combats breakouts. It's for oily blemish prone skin, obviously. It has phenethyloids and glycosides from Plantago lanceolata and Mahonia aquifolium. Impressed. That is probably not how you say any of that. It helps to reduce skin impurities with clinically demonstrated effectiveness. Sebum production is minimised and blemishes diminished. For a healthy revived complexion, the supporting action of sodium salicylate buffs away dead skin cells, encourages collagen synthesis and promotes healthy skin renewal. Magnesium, detoxifying mineral, helps reduce toxin buildup and provides antioxidant support. So step 1, which is cleanse, I guess they have a routine. They want you to use all of their products. So this is what it looks like when it's out of the bottle. It's just a clear gel. It smells nice, really nice. So for anyone worrying that it'll smell like fish, like that other serum, it doesn't smell like fish. It smells really nice. It comes with a whole leaflet thing. Technology-led, performance-driven, flawless effect targeted skincare. So this is part of their Pro Acneal range, which is for blemish, problematic and acne-prone skin. Helps to rebalance, normalise, blah, 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 blah. They've got a Hydractive designed to support optimal hydration and support skin's extracellular matrix. And they've got one that's for complexion rescue, targets imperfections, promotes an even and flawless skin tone. They've got anti-inflammatory complex and one that gets rid of skin impurities. So whatever your skin's like, I guess you can either use these things or mix and match because they've got different things in each area. This is phase 1, but then they've got a couple of things for phase 2, depending what you want, a couple of things for phase 3. This is really interesting. So phase 1 is to cleanse, phase 2 is to restore, and phase 3 is to hydrate. So now we just need the rest of the set, please. Next month. Thank you very much, Eve Parcel. Next month. You know I like a full-size product and I'm very much interested in trying this because this is the kind of thing my skin in particular needs. So let me just do a quick add up of this box. And the total this month is £35.90. I'm very happy with that. That's like, what, 2.5 to 3 times the cost of the box. So not as high as some of the others, but it's what's in the box that counts, isn't it? What do we have here? New things that we like, stuff that I wasn't expecting to like, new delicious sweets that are guilt-free and are really tasty. This, very excited about. This belly stuff is still tingling away. I think it's all pretty cool actually. Yeah, I'm really happy with everything in there. I think that is a good value box with lots of good items. And I am happy I received that. Also better than look fantastic. Just to put that out there in the world. Let me know down below, what do you think of this month's Eve Parcel? Is it a winner or a chicken dinner? No, that doesn't make any sense. You know what I mean. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching and spending your time with me, and until I see you next time, I hope you find something positive and take care of yourselves. Bye guys.